Python's isalpha, isdigit, isalnum, and ispace are Boolean string methods that validate character types. Isalpha checks if all characters are letters. For example, hello is alpha, hello 123 isn't.
Isdigit checks if all characters are digits. 123 is digit. 123a isn't. Isalnum checks if all characters are alphanumeric, letters or numbers. Python 123 is alnum. But Python 123 isn't due to the space. Ispace checks if all characters are white space, like spaces or tabs. Isspace, while hello isn't. These methods are crucial for input validation and processing text data reliably.
The provided Python code demonstrates the functionality of 4 essential string methods: isalpha, isdigit, isalnum, and ispace. It initializes several strings with varying content: purely alphabetic, purely numeric, alphanumeric, whitespace only, mixed, and empty, to serve as diverse test cases. For each string, the code explicitly calls all 4 Boolean methods and prints the resulting true or false value, clearly indicating how each method evaluates different string compositions.
The isalpha and isdigit methods perform strict character type checks. Isalpha returns true only if all characters in the string are alphabetic letters, and there is at least one character. Otherwise, it's false. Similarly, isdigit returns true exclusively when all characters are digits and the string is not empty. Both methods yield false if the string contains any non-matching characters, such as spaces, punctuation, or characters of the other type.
Conversely, isalnum and ispace address broader or more specific character sets. Isalnum returns true if all characters in the string are either alphabetic or numeric, alphanumeric, and the string is not empty, making it a less restrictive check than isalpha or isdigit. Individually, ispace is highly specific, returning true only if all characters in the string are whitespace characters, e.g., space, tab, new line, and the string contains at least one character. All 4 methods return false for an empty string, as an empty string contains no characters to satisfy their respective conditions.